If you want to know how to run a competitor ad gap analysis, you have to stop saving files. You've got a folder full of competitor ads. You screenshot the good ones, drop them in a doc, and scroll it for inspiration later. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn that folder into a map of which angles your category is crowded into and which ones nobody is running. I worked off swipe files for years, and the flaw is simple. One file tells you what a single competitor made, and it can't tell you what your whole category is missing. And the fix starts with counting, not collecting. An angle is just the core idea an ad leads with, like a problem-first hook, a price message, social proof, or a founder story. When you tag every competitor ad by its angle instead of saving your favorites, the sentence you can write changes completely. A swipe file gets you, this brand ran a customer testimonial. Gap analysis gets you, every competitor here runs testimonials and discounts, and not one of them shows the problem. The second one is a brief, and that matters more now than it used to, for one measurable reason. Creative is doing most of the work now because targeting is largely automated and the ad itself is the main lever you still control. NC Solutions and Nielsen looked across nearly 450 sales effect studies and found creative drives roughly 49% of incremental sales, more than targeting, reach, and recency combined. Marketers credited with about 19%. And when every brand crowds into the same discount hook, audiences tune it out and CPMs climb for everyone fighting over it, which makes the open angle the cheaper one, and finding it is more mechanical than you think. Finding that open angle takes 4 steps. Step 1. Pick 5 to 10 direct competitors. Step 2. Pull every ad you can find on them. Step 3. Tag each one by angle, hook, format, CTA, and core message, using the same labels every time, because 2 people tagging the same hook differently makes the count meaningless. Step 4. Count them to find the white space. And this is where almost every team quietly stops. Why does everybody stop there? Because doing it by hand doesn't survive real volume. The meta ad library is free and a fine place to start, but you can't follow an advertiser, so you check manually over and over, and the moment a competitor turns an ad off, it disappears like it never ran. Tagging hundreds of ads across 10 competitors and keeping it current while they rotate creative every week is a full-time job nobody is hiring for. That's exactly why we built the competitor tracking agent into Segwise. It tracks your competitors' ads across Facebook and Instagram in one dashboard and runs the same multimodal AI we use on your creative over theirs, tagging their hooks, CTAs, visual styles, and messaging automatically. Because that tagging stays consistent, the counting works, so you see which angles are oversaturated and which are open today, not last quarter. Try Segwise for free, the link is in the description, and you'll be set up in a few minutes with no engineering needed.